So, project now is we're starting on the switch panel. I say we.
Hi.
She's helping. This is Paige, my little girl. So all I'm doing tonight is just laying out that onto. With it? Yeah, onto that. We're waiting on a stepper drill bit. Getting funny looks off the wire. Waiting on a stepper drill bit, so I don't know if I'm going to get it finished this weekend. If I do, brilliant. If I don't, it'll be done next week. So, so yeah, I'll switch thing and we'll see what we get on. So it's all drawn up and ready to go. There's a couple of mistakes, some scribbling out, some squares to cut out, holes to drill, and I'm wobbling the camera. Yeah, so first thing in the morning I'll crack on and get everything cut out. Well, cut out. Hopefully that drill bit turns up tomorrow, and then I can get all the holes drilled, and then it'll be a bit of dressing and finishing, and then it'll be paint, and then hydro dip. Hopefully get it all done this weekend and it's finished. In the photos you can see it's set up. There's going to be a 240 volt socket at the bottom which is going to be wired through an inverter. The 240 volt socket is going to get painted and dipped possibly at a later date. Then above that there's two big rocker switches. One of them is going to be a master switch just to kill all the power going to the switch panel. One next to it will be the power for the inverter, and hopefully I'm going to rig an external power switch just for the inverter. Yeah, my intention for that, I don't know if it's going to work yet, but my intention for that is to open the inverter, get into the actual power switch on the inverter, and take a feed from that, pinch the feed from that, should I say, take out that switch, and put it through the big switch on the switch panel. In the centre of those two, I don't know if you noticed, there's an 8mm hole to be drilled. There's going to be an IR sensor for some RGB LED tapes, lights are going to be knocking around inside the van when it's done. So that's going to be hidden in there, the control unit behind there, hidden away. Then above that there is a double USB socket on one side, a normal cigarette lighter plug on the other side, and then in the centre there is a voltage meter. So when it's powered up, it'll just give the voltage of the batteries, the leisure batteries on the van. And then above that, there's a bank of 5 just normal rocker switches with a little green LED. It wants 5. He hasn't got your 5 use for 5 yet. Obviously, we'll have things like the LED lights are going to be on there. Normal internal lights. A few other bits and pieces. We've got a ring main going all the way inside as well. So yeah, that's it for now. I look scruffy, haggard, in my sloggies. I've only been home from work for an hour or so. Just wanted to get that nailed and done. So long week at work, 60 odd hours. So a bit of a relax tonight with the kids before they go to bed. Yeah. push the boat out and have a cup of tea. Look, cup of tea. Yeah, that's it for me. This will be part one. I'm going to do it in a few stages so that it don't get too boring, I suppose. I don't want you sitting there for 20 minutes, half an hour at a time. So yeah, I'll put this one on YouTube and see what you think. Just remember to like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and tell everybody about me. You know you want to. I'm not a bad-looking bloke. Okay, opinions vary. Right, that's it for now. Thanks.